peace. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. May I be free from suffering. May I find true peace. Loving kindness, compassion, joy, equanimity. Loving kindness, compassion, joy, equanimity. May my family be filled with loving kindness. May they be safe. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. May they be free from fear. May they rest in peace of heart. Loving kindness, compassion, joy, equanimity. Loving kindness, compassion, joy, equanimity. May my friends be filled with loving kindness. May they be safe. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. May they know joy in their hearts. May they find freedom from sorrow. Loving kindness, compassion, joy, equanimity. Loving kindness, compassion, joy, equanimity. May those I do not know be filled with loving kindness. May they be safe. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. May their hearts awaken to compassion. May they be free from May all beings, great and small, may all beings, seen and unseen, may all beings, known and unknown, be free from suffering, be filled with peace.
Loving kindness, compassion, joy, equanimity. Loving kindness, compassion, joy, equanimity.
As the sun shares its light without condition, as the rain shares its water without preference, so may my heart share kindness without end. So may compassion flow